Hey everyone, my name is Aaron Mohabbat and I'm an Fulbright ETA here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, and today we'll be doing an English Without Borders cooking video, this time breakfast style. So today we'll be making a smoothie and then we'll also be making a French press style coffee. First step is going to be putting the banana into the blender, and so we'll be doing that right now. Open up your blender to go ahead and put those banana pieces in the blender. So after you've put your banana, you want to put in your vegetables. So I just opened up a fresh package of frozen spinach, and you're going to want to pour that inside right here. All right, that's enough. So now what you want to do is go ahead and add the dates. So I like to add 2. So we'll be grabbing 2 right here. And you want to make sure that you get rid of the seed in the inside. Perfect. After you put in your dates, you now want to add the walnuts, okay? So here we have full walnuts. You're going to want to peel these because there's some wood in the middle. So just go ahead and peel these. Make sure you don't add that to your smoothie. So you peel these, add that there. So now what we can add is the peanut butter, and we're gonna go ahead and add that into the blender here. So if you're cooking just for yourself, which I am today, you're gonna not wanna put that much peanut butter in. Maybe something like, this is even a little bit too much, but this, you're gonna wanna add that in. Now you wanna add the seeds that we talked about earlier. There's plenty of seeds you can add, but seeds are always good. In this case, we'll be adding chia seeds. So we're gonna add those. Perfect. The last solid ingredient is going to be the cinnamon. And you wanna pour just a little bit because cinnamon is quite a strong spice. So use the back end of the spoon you just used and pour some in. And finally, we have the last ingredient, the thing that allows this all to blend together, and that is the oat milk. So we're gonna go ahead and open that and pour it. So you want the milk to be right under the top of your ingredient. Then you wanna put on the lid. And this is where the fun begins. I think the smoothie is ready. But before we can enjoy our smoothie, we need the precious combination of smoothie and coffee. And in order to do that, now we need to start making the French press. So we're gonna need to put these beans into the grinder. So let's make a big pot, okay? So this is all varying on how much you want to serve, how much coffee you consume. But you know what, today I'm a little tired, so we're gonna make a big one. So now that you have your beans inside of the grinder in this little cup, you wanna go ahead and put it back. All right, then put it on here. Perfect. Okay, so then you're gonna push it. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so the beans are done. And now you want to open up your French press. Open this up. Smell of beans. I love the smell of beans. You're gonna pour this into the French press here. All right, I think all the grounds are out. And so perfectly timed, our water is done boiling. And you want to go ahead and pour that in. And so again, I love coffee and I think some people are going to steal my coffee here. So I'm going to have to pour a little extra. Perfect, I think that's enough. And we're going to go ahead and put on the lid here. So now you're just going to want to let this sit for a few minutes. The whole point of French press is you need the ground to soak into the water so that the water becomes coffee. So now that it's been a few minutes, you're gonna go ahead and press down, hence the name French press. Perfect. Now you're able to pour into our beautiful English Without Borders mug. All right, perfect. That's a good cup of coffee. And now for the precious combination that I talked about earlier, you're gonna want to pour the smoothie at around the same time. Okay, get that out of there. And then pour this into our cup, slowly. Yeah, that's good. Personally, I think this recipe and this combination is great when you're really tired of eating those heavy cakes during the New Year and holiday season. But with that being said, happy holidays everyone, and have a good New Year as well.